Indrive discount tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about Indrive. So let's get into it. Now Indrive is a very useful tool. It's kind of like Uber, but they also have a bunch of different other services as well. So for example, if we scroll down below, you can see they have city rides, city to city delivery, and Indrive Money, which provides access to fair and transparent financial services for the Indrive community. But before I begin, I just want to say make sure to check the link in the description below. You'll be able to sign up onto Indrive. You'll also get some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply when booking a ride to get a heavy discount, and save money. It works on the app on your phone, so make sure you download the application, and you have to go ahead and input your number in order to go ahead and get started. So if I go ahead and click on city to city, it's basically passengers, right? You book a drive from one city to another. So let's go ahead and say I want to go to New Brunswick and from Toronto, right? And over here, I just simply add in the date and the passenger, and then they offer your fare. This is like optional. This is where you add, this is the amount of money I want. It's completely optional. You can skip this and then just simply find a driver option. You should be good to go. Since I already have an account, I'm not going to do that. All you got to do is just hit this button and you should be good to go. And then you basically just get the drivers and you should be good to go, right? And accept whichever driver you want and you are good to go. So it's as simple as that. And yeah, it's as simple as that. So, and then you can just add the promo codes that you can find down in the description below and you should be good to go. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.